Hello, welcome back to Garden Spaces. I am outside in my garden. It's 98 degrees today. Woo, it's hot. But anyways, I'm out because I just harvested 2 of my zucchinis. I left them in the ground an extra 2 days because I am going to make some lasagna tonight for dinner. So along with that, I'm going to pick some oregano for seasoning, and all I need is just a little bit. Peppers, so I'm going to leave those for now, but I do need some parsley, and I'm going to look closely because sometimes you have little caterpillars. The monarch caterpillars love parsley, so I will look at that really closely to make sure that I don't have any, and I don't. And all I need is just a pinch of it to add for seasoning. Let's see, is there anything else that I need? I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna pick a little bit of chives. Like I said, I already have a pepper, so here's some chives. I'm gonna add a little bit of thyme. Add some thyme right here. I love thyme. And that's gonna season my meat. All I need is a little bit. And I'm out here. Might as well look at my eggplants. They're doing good. Tomatoes are doing good. They're starting to yellow up a little bit. Oh, look at here. Oh, I have some string beans going on. Got a couple of tomatoes. The sweet 100 tomatoes are ready, and that will go perfect in my salad. I'm just gonna pick some of these. And again, I am going to make lasagna. Look at that. So that's it for now. Oh, there's one that's really red. So I'll grab that one and then I will eat the rest. And I am going inside. To make my lasagna. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, so that I can see your garden and see what you're harvesting for today. In my next video, please watch. I will be cooking lasagna using the zucchini that I just harvested, the seasonings, the parsley, the thyme, the chives. I already have a pepper that I just picked earlier, and then I will make a nice little salad